And the frame has a large opening here, another one here, and another one here. That means that we need all 4 of these dark color wood in these openings. This is the Minima 10 puzzle, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Frederik Boucher and made by Pelican. Difficulty level of the Minima 10 puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 parts inside the frame in such a way that only dark color wood will be visible through the opening. If you like the Minima 10 puzzle and you want to buy it and try to solve it by yourself, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. So first of all, let's check how the puzzles will be inside of the box. Now we have to figure out the way how to fit them inside, and we will start probably with this piece. Put it like that and then rotate it once and drop down right in here. Then you grab this piece, put it inside like that. Then this piece goes up and you hold it. Then you lift this piece up as well. Here is the tricky part. You have to put this piece inside. Think that you have to rotate it once like that. Then you move it to the front, drop this piece down, put this all the way inside to the left, and then fit the last piece. And the puzzle is solved. As you can see, we can see only dark color wood through the openings. If you want to try the rest of the puzzles from Minima series, go to puzzlemaster.ca.